for Kitchenette Red Carpet Menu, where I take Oscar's Best Picture nominations and turn them into delicious dishes. We've got a bit of a French theme going on this year. For Oppenheimer, it's Opporkheimer, a pork cordon bleu with spicy honey. There's not many movies that I would immediately go out and see in IMAX based on the hubbub coming up about it. But I went to see Oppenheimer and it was spectacular. I recently saw it again and it just re-upped my love of this movie. It was great. What else can I do but have a flavor bomb, a food bomb, something that's got some heat to it? We've got this gorgeous pork cordon bleu, spicy honey on the outside, a little cayenne in our breadcrumbs, and the mixture of the Comté cheese, Comté cheese, and fried ham, because, you know, it makes this taste just explosive. Kitchenette, a little kitchen with a lot of flavor.